Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious arroz con pollo verde. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken, 1 cup of white rice, 4 chile poblanos, chile serrano, a half of a small white onion, 1 tomatillo, 1 garlic clove, 3/4 of a cup of corn, 1 bunch of cilantro, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. So first we're going to begin by roasting our chile poblanos. Okay, so once our chile is all nice and roasted, we're going to place them in a plastic bag. We're just going to seal the bag and set them to the side. Okay, we're also going to roast the tomatillo, half of the onion, and our chile serranos if you're using any. Okay, so once we have our tomatillo, onion, and chile serrano all nice and roasted, we're going to set them to the side. Okay, so now we're going to grab our chicken, and my chicken is already clean. So now I'm just going to create 2 slits and 3 on the chicken thigh. And now we're going to season it. You can season it with just salt and pepper or just use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. So just make sure that it's nice and coated with the seasoning. Okay, so once we have our chicken all nice and seasoned, now we're just going to set it to the side. Okay, so now we're going to grab our chile poblanos and we're going to peel them. So just remove the skin. Along with the stem and the seeds. And we're going to transfer 2 chile poblanos into our blender cup. Okay, the other 2 chile poblanos, we're going to cut them into small strips. So just cut in strips. Okay, and I just cut into smaller strips. Okay, so once we have our rajas, now we're just going to set them to the side and we can make our salsa. Okay, to our blender cup, we're also going to add our cilantro, chile serrano, onion, tomatillo, garlic clove, and all of our spices, along with the 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, so once we have our sauce, now we are ready to begin cooking. So now we're going to grab our pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so once our oil is hot, we're going to place our chicken on our oil. And we're going to sear each side for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over. And let that side sear for another 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken. Just place it in a bowl. Okay, now we're just going to set it to the side. So in our pan, we're going to add the other half of our onion, just cut into small strips. And now we're just going to cook it for a couple minutes. And just kind of scrape the burn bites. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add our rice. And now we're just going to fry it for about 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to add our chile poblano. And our corn. So just give it a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add our sauce. And to our blender cup, we're also going to add 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth or water. Just make sure you get all of that. Okay, so just mix it. Okay. So now we're going to return our chicken. Okay, add its juice. So now we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. We're going to cover it and let that cook for about 20 to 28 minutes. Okay guys, so after 28 minutes, our arroz con pollo is done. So now we're just going to turn it off and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we are ready to serve. Okay guys, so after 10 minutes, we are now ready to serve. So everything should be all nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to grab my chicken and rice. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. Just grab as much as you want. I'm gonna grab one of each. Okay, so now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I just like to top my chicken with some lime juice. A little bit of cilantro. Some queso fresco. And just to add a little bit more spice, some chile flakes. And I like to serve it with some chips. So just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious arroz con pollo. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I'm telling you that your family is all going to enjoy it. It's seriously super delicious, so flavorful. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. And it's not spicy. It's just the best. So good. Everything is just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious arroz con pollo verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.